After countless sleepless nights and deep dives into the darkest corners of the internet, I found something extraordinary. A secret indicator so shocking, it's not already found anywhere. The trading results using the indicator, absolutely mind-blowing. It's a hidden gem that works in every market, on any time frame. It's beyond anything I've ever seen. If you've been looking for that one key to unlock consistent and profitable trades, this might just be it. What I'm about to reveal could change everything you've ever known about trading. So grab your favorite snack and let's get straight to it. First off, head over to tradingview.com. I've dropped the link for you below in the description, so no excuses. Once you're there, go straight to the Indicators tab and type in ARNAUD LEGOUX MOVING AVERAGE, or as the insiders like to call it, ALMA. Trust me, this indicator will blow your mind. Now we're not just leaving it at the default settings. Go ahead and tweak the settings like this. Set the window size to 200. Shift that offset to 0.7 and crank up the sigma to 20. It's these little changes that make a big difference, and you'll see why. Go ahead and change the color and the thickness, make it stand out. Once you've done all that, you're in for some surprising results. Let's unlock the magic of this indicator and talk about how we're going to use it. The first thing that grabbed my attention was how this indicator acts like a rock-solid support or resistance level. But here's the catch: when that level breaks, things can spiral fast. And that's exactly where the magic happens, because this breakout is all we need.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
When price breaks below the ALMA indicator, the bears are taking control, so brace yourself for a downtrend. And if it breaks upward, that's your signal the market is building bullish momentum. And along the way, don't be surprised to catch some pullbacks. They are just part of the ride, so we can trade these breakouts. You only need to find a candle that penetrates the ALMA. It's your signal. Start a trade and set your stop loss is slightly below the indicator and look for risk to reward of 2.5 and not more. For a bearish signal, you need to find a candle that crosses below the ALMA. Start a trade. Set your stop loss slightly above the indicator and look for risk to reward of 2.5. Simple as that. But there's a little problem.
Come on now, dawg. Come on, man.
Just like any other indicator or oscillator, the ALMA isn't immune to giving false signals during consolidating markets. Even amidst the range, when a candle finally breaks through the ALMA, it was the beginning of a powerful uptrend. All in all, in range markets, it gives low risk-to-reward ratios which are deemed to be false signals. To solve this problem, I'm about to add the best indicator in trading history. Any idea?
Since you are attacking our news organization,
not you.
Can you give us a chance?
Your organization.
Sir, can
Quiet,
you state,
quiet.
Mr. President-elect,
Go ahead,
can you state
she's asking a
categorically,
question,
Mr.
don't be rude.
President-elect,
The indicator that has been hailed as the best in trading history. The MACD indicator. So go back to the Indicators tab and type in MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, for a touch of sophistication. To unlock full potential of MACD, start by doubling all the values. Set them to 24, 52, and 18. If you're scalping on 5-minute time frame, Then you must switch the MACD calculation time frame to a higher value, like 30 minutes, to get a more clear picture. And also don't forget to head over to Styles tab and change histogram shape to area, just for a bit more clarity. Most of you guys are probably familiar with MACD indicator, but for those who aren't, let's take a quick dive into it. I know it might sound a little boring, but I need to get both the beginners and the pro onto the same page. The MACD indicator has 4 components. A blue line, which is called the MACD line, an orange line, which is called the signal line, and finally a set of blue and red histograms. So whenever MACD line crosses above the signal line and the histograms turn blue, that's a buy signal. And whenever MACD line crosses below the signal line and histograms turn red, means the market is gonna go downstairs. Let's combine both the indicators and create a formidable strategy that's poised to bring in serious gains. The first thing we're going to do is, when histograms turn blue, we will only and only take long. Once it turns red, we will only and only look for short signals. Starting with the first example, we've got a bearish cross showing up in the MACD, with histograms flashing red. So we should only focus on short positions. On top of that, the ALMA has already been penetrated, confirming that market is picking up bearish momentum. So start a short position, set your stop loss slightly above the ALMA and look for risk to reward ratio of 2.5. Coming up next is a bullish example. We've got a bullish MACD cross with a blue histogram showing up, meaning we should only and only focus on taking long positions. On top of that, candles have already penetrated the ALMA, signaling a strong upward move is about to begin. So 2 strong confirmations to start a long position. I start a long position and set my stop loss slightly below the ALMA and look for risk to reward ratio of 2.5. It's not yet finished.
Are you sure about that?
Since I have only started using the indicator recently, this is the best strategy I could actually come up with. So I sincerely ask you to go and change the ALMA setting, see what you can find out, and inform me in the comments. Because different settings means different time frames and different strategies. All in all, the indicator is doing an awesome job along with the MACD indicator. Try to use some simple price action such as this one for entry and the exits. It's called a double bottom, which is a chart reversal pattern.
What the hell is even that?
Have you ever tried drawing chart patterns on MACD histograms? It might sound a little awkward, but in a video in my channel, I've thought a way to find chart patterns on MACD histograms, which identify the exact market reversal point. I'll leave a link for you below in the description. So don't miss that unique strategy because it's nowhere to be found online. Besides, I'm gonna leave a link for MACD strategy playlist in which you can find information to transform your trading life. So if you learned something new, go ahead and like this video. It'll make me really happy knowing my free content is making a difference. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comments. I'll try to answer all of them. Until the next episode, take care.